welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to another video of the Happy Nail Art series. Today I am not doing one off of the sketches because I actually think I've completed most of them or I just did something else very spur of the moment. So today we're doing an abstract design because we actually haven't done a major fully kind of negative space abstract design in this series yet, which is kind of surprising considering that tends to be my go-to. Also, I've been wearing a lot of abstract manicures on my right hand lately, so I thought it'd be fun to kind of document some of those in this series as well. I found them to be like really good long-lasting manicures that don't chip very much or that you can't notice it, so it just works really well for me. Definitely now when I want both hands painted to look nice in videos. So here what I'm doing is I am putting on a perfector. I've already put on a base coat at this point, but the perfector that I'm using today is actually something different than normal. This is the Orly French manicure shade called a Rose Colored Glasses. I really like it. It's enough milkiness that I'm enjoying it, and the brush is great. So now we're going to move on to the art, which as you can see here, this is going to be a dry brush method, and you want to make sure your brush is super empty of polish when you go on to this first step. So that's what that whole little scene was showing you. So as you can see here, I barely have any polish going onto the nail, but that's like perfect for what I am trying to do here. I'm going to do two different kind of draggy swipes going each opposite directions. So one from the left side, one from the right side, and which is going to be really sparse pink little brush strokes. Then on the side, I'm going to put a yellow kind of blob, elongated blob. And then I'm going to go in with an orange polish and put in a little cluster of 3 orange dots. And that is it for this manicure. So super easy. And I'm going to put on a top coat now here. But since that did all go so fast, I didn't even mention what nail polishes I was using. So the pink was Bubblegum by Heroine NYC. The yellow is B by Zoya. And the orange is Pilates Please by Glaze. So that is all the polishes I use. And top coat, I think I'm using the Glisten and Glow top coat here in this video. I've been alternating a lot of different top coats lately just to kind of test out the wear time because I've not actually been painting my nails every day. So it's been kind of fun. This one does last for a good amount of time and it's super shiny, which I really like. So here is the final design. Super fun and easy manicure, and it's one that is great to do on both hands even if you're not very good at doing your other hand. This is very doable art because it's abstract, and that's just makes it so much easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all back here with another new video very soon. Bye!